Getting rid of my 2012 Honda Civic. I bought it used in 2014 for 40,000 miles. I have 199,000 miles on the clock. It is time for this car to go to a new owner. I don't care if you see my tag, it's okay. UCF night. But anyways, it's been adult driven. I replaced the clutch back, I think 140,000 miles. It's mostly highway, so I rarely use the clutch on the highway. I bought some new Continental, what are these? Sport Plus, good tires, 225/45 ZR17s. I put on there last year. They probably have about 10,000 miles on them. The only thing I did to the car is, let's see. It's dirty. I'm just posting this now because as I clean it, the price is going up. It is a mechanic special. The only reason I'm getting rid of the car is because it got a leak, oil leak. That's pretty bad, meaning that I add oil to it. I check it before I drive. I think it may be a rear main seal or either maybe a front seal because it's leaking on the right hand side. So it's probably a front seal. And I didn't want to fix it, put any money into it because it served its purpose. The only thing I did, I put a K&N drop-in filter. I always put Honda batteries in there because they last longer. I put a new alternator in there about a year and a half ago. When I had the clutch did, I also had to put in a starter. So that's the only thing that I've done to this vehicle. AC works fine, heat works fine, CD player still works, paint is faded. Now, most people don't know that you have a 7-year warranty on corrosion. Back in those days, these cars was painted with a faulty clear coat. So I actually had Honda repaint the whole car with the exception of the spoiler. They would inspect it and they would see what was wrong and they would only paint the panels that were bad. So this was repainted by Honda on a warranty claim, which was pretty cool. These need to be clean, headlights need to be clean. Overall, it's a good car. Goes in every gear. AC is blowing. You need that in Florida. I can go through all the gears. It's not a problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's go in reverse. And there go that 4-banger reverse sound from the transmission. Gotta love it. I'm probably gonna get a new Integra Type S or Integra A-Spec. I really want an M3, but I got some bills to pay first, so I'll lease an M3 later, but I gotta replace this car. Very good car. I'm being honest, have nothing to hide. Test drive it. I'm starting the price off at $5 grand. And then we can negotiate. I just need to make more money than what I could trade it in for. I'm an adult, so I had fun in this car. As you can see, interior need to be clean, non-smoker. Now I will say, when I bought the car, it was a smoker's car, so I tried to get that scent out, but I don't smoke, never smoke. And I will be cleaning it as I go, and the price will be going up. But we'll start off at $5 grand. Don't even contact me if you want to lowball me, because I'm not desperate. I'll just be honest. I'll keep it before I just give it away.